The teaching of the soul is a teaching of the conduct of the man in the universe, not for man on this planet. In a way, partially, this planet and the soul of the man is what we call the sandbox. If we understand the operation of the soul of the others, we have matured maybe enough to understand the operation of our soul. We never can learn from our soul as is within us. We cannot look inward to see the light. We see our conduct in the behavior of other souls. And this is one of the biggest problems for humanity. Maybe in the future mankind elevates to reach the soul of the creators, then maybe he can look with it. Till that time, the reaction of the others shows the reflection of the soul of the. Then we might just be able to jump the bridge to see part of our own essence.